Welcome back. Today we're continuing from where we left off in the last video. We'll take our simple PHP web page and transform it with Bootstrap for a cleaner, more responsive design. We'll go through each step to turn this basic site into something more polished and professional. First, let's take a look at the starting code. It's a straightforward PHP setup with 3 pages: About page, Newsletter page, and Contact page. It's functional but very basic. Today, we'll upgrade this code with Bootstrap to make it more visually appealing. To get started, let's add Bootstrap to our project. This will let us use Bootstrap's responsive grid, styles, and components. Links in the description. Adding Bootstrap CSS, add the Bootstrap CSS link from the Bootstrap website to the head section of the HTML file. Include the Bootstrap JavaScript bundle link at the bottom of the body section. Add the link to Bootstrap icons right below the CSS link. With Bootstrap integrated, we're ready to start upgrading each part of the page. Let's start with the About page. Right now, it's just plain text. We'll add an image and Bootstrap's grid layout for a more engaging look. The image will be provided by the Placeholders Image API. Adding a placeholder image. Include an image with the col SM5 class to define its width next to the text in col LG7. Adding a grid layout. Wrap the image and text in a row div for a structured grid layout. Now the About page has a balanced professional look. Next up is the newsletter form. We'll use Bootstrap to make it visually consistent. Applying form control classes, add form control to the email input and b10 primary to the submit button. Adding layout classes, wrap the form in a row and use G3 and align item center to control spacing and alignment. These changes make the form look clean and professional. and the primary button stands out. For the contact page, let's replace the placeholder icons with Bootstrap icons and arrange our contact options in a responsive grid layout. Replacing icons with Bootstrap icons. Replace placeholder images with icons using Bootstrap classes like by Facebook. Creating a responsive grid. Wrap each contact item in a col within a row using classes rowcols1 and rowcolslg3 for responsive design. Now the contact page is organized in a neat, responsive grid that looks great on any device. Now let's polish up the header. We'll add a dark background, center the title, and style the menu with Bootstrap's navigation classes. Adding a dark background. Use a deflex container with BG dark, text white, and justify content center to structure and style the header. Styling the navigation, apply nav, pill, and navlink to the links for a polished, pill-styled navigation bar. These updates transform the header from a basic menu into a well-designed navigation bar. Finally, let's give the main content area a polished look. We'll add a light background, rounded corners, and a shadow effect. Styling the content section. Wrap the main content in a section and use px4, py1, BG body tertiary, rounded, and shadow sem for a smooth, professional finish. And that's it. We've turned our basic PHP page into a responsive, stylish site using Bootstrap. Let's take a look at the finished design. I encourage you to take a look at Bootstrap and see what it can do for your projects. Links in the description. Thanks for tuning in. This transformation shows how powerful Bootstrap can be for web projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding videos. See you next week.